Hello everyone, welcome back to GHL Unlocked. To answer the question, how do I set an automation for a form submission on Gohighlevel? I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Gohighlevel account, your sub account. Then on the left side panel here, scroll down to automation. And in workflows here, select create workflow and start from scratch. Now simply rename your workflow and click add new trigger. Since we want this workflow to run when a form is submitted, we're going to search for the form submitted trigger and select it. Now scroll down and select add filters and select this drop down menu here and form ease. Now click on this drop down and select the form you want this workflow to run for. Now you could skip out this step if you want the workflow to run for any form that's submitted, but I want this workflow to run for only this specific form, so that's why I chose this. Once you've made the changes you want, save the trigger, and now we're going to click this plus icon here to add the action. You can choose whatever your action you want. If you wanted to send an email, you would select send email or send SMS. You could also choose to send an internal notification so your team is notified once the form is submitted. You could also choose to add a contact tag if you want to organize your contacts. Basically choose whatever action you want. I'm going to go with send email and enter the name it's from and the email and the subject line and a quick message. Once you've set up your action, simply save it. And if you wish to add more than one, all you have to do is click this plus icon once again and add as many actions as you want. Once you've added all your actions, toggle this from draft to publish and click save. And make sure you test out this workflow to make sure everything works properly. Try submitting a form and see if it sends an email or does whatever you set it to do. And that's how to set an automation for form submission on Gohighlevel. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.